Math GED Study Guide. Question 1. Find 25% of 160 before the numbers get hidden in a word problem. Option A 185. Option B 6.4. Option C 135. Option D 40. The correct answer is option. Convert 25% to 0.25 and multiply by 160, which gives 40. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the percent number to the base. Option B is wrong because it divides by the percent number instead of converting it to a decimal. Option C is wrong because it subtracts the percent number from the base. Question 2. A recipe uses 3 cups of rice for every 4 cups of water. How much water is needed for 12 cups of rice? Option A 12. Option B 16. Option C 4. Option D 16 cups. The correct answer is option. The rice amount is multiplied by 4, so the water amount must also be multiplied by 4, giving 16 cups. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it multiplies the two original ratio parts. Option B is wrong because it adds the original water amount after scaling only rice. Option C is wrong because it uses the original recipe without scaling. Question 3. Two independent events have probabilities 1/2 and 2/3. What is the chance both happen? Option A 2/3. Option B 1/6. Option C 7/6. Option D 1/3. The correct answer is option. For independent events both occurring, multiply the probabilities. 1/2 times 2/3 equals 1/3. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it keeps only one event's probability. Option B is wrong because it subtracts probabilities, which does not model both events. Option C is wrong because it adds independent probabilities instead of multiplying for both. Question 4. Find the range of the scores 49, 34, 24, 49, 27, 19. Option A 68. Option B 33.67. Option C 30. Option D 34. The correct answer is option. Range equals highest minus lowest, so 49 to 19 equals 30. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds the extremes instead of subtracting them. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean. Option D is wrong because it chooses a middle value instead of comparing highest and lowest. Question 5. In the line y equals -3x plus 1, which number is the y-intercept? Option A -1. Option B x. Option C 1. Option D -3. The correct answer is option. In slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b, the y-intercept is b, which is 1. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it changes the sign of the intercept. Option B is wrong because the intercept is a number where the line crosses the y-axis. Option D is wrong because it is the slope, not the y-intercept. Question 6. Two angles in a triangle are 40 degrees and 87 degrees. What is the third angle? Option A 140 degrees. Option B 127 degrees. Option C 93 degrees. Option D 53 degrees. The correct answer is option. Triangle angles sum to 180 degrees, so subtract the two known angles. 180 to 40, 87 equals 53 degrees. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it ignores the second known angle. Option B is wrong because it adds the known angles but does not subtract from 180 degree. Option C is wrong because it ignores the first known angle. Question 7. A chart shows 30 students chose online study and 25 chose books. How many more chose the larger group? Option A 55. Option B 5. Option C 25. Option D 30. The correct answer is option. How many more asks for a difference, so subtract the smaller value from the larger value to get 5. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it gives the total rather than the difference. Option C is wrong because it selects the smaller group. Option D is wrong because it selects the larger group but does not compare the groups. Question 8. If 48 flyers are shared equally among 3 tables, how many flyers go on each table? Option A 144. Option B 16. Option C 51. Option D 45. The correct answer is option. Equal sharing means divide the total by the number of groups. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it multiplies the total by the number of tables. Option C is wrong because it adds instead of dividing. Option D is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Question 9. Convert 5 liters to milliliters. Option A, 5000 ml. Option B, 500 ml. Option C, 0.005 ml. Option D, 1005 ml. The correct answer is option 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters, so 5 times 1000 equals 5000 ml. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it uses 100 instead of 1000. Option C is wrong because it divides instead of multiplying. Option D is wrong because it adds the conversion factor. Question 10. Select the greatest decimal from 9.4, 4.3, and 8.5. Option A. They are equal. Option B. 8.5. Option C. 4.3. Option D. 9.4. The correct answer is option. Compare tenths first and then hundredths if needed. The greatest value is 9.4. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because the digits show different values after the decimal point. Option B is wrong because it is between the other two values. Option C is wrong because it is the smallest value after aligning decimal places. Question 11. Find the distance between 1, 4, and 1, 11 on a vertical line. Option A is 0. Option B, 15. Option C, 5. Option D is 7. The correct answer is option. For a vertical segment, distance is the absolute difference of the y values. 11, 4 equals 7. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it uses the exchange, which is 0 here. Option B is wrong because it adds y values instead of subtracting them. Option C is wrong because it adds coordinates from one point. Question 12. Which point lies on y equals 1x plus 3? Option A, 3, 5. Option B, 2, 5. Option C, 2, 6. Option D, -2, 5. The correct answer is option. Substituting x equals 2 gives y equals 1, 2, plus 3 equals 5. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because using the new x value would require a different y value. Option C is wrong because the y value is 1 unit too high. Option D is wrong because changing the x value changes the line calculation. Question 13. Multiply 9 by 12 quickly. Option A, 108. Option B, 117. Option C, 21. Option D, 99. The correct answer is option. Multiplication means 12 groups of 9, which equals 108. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds one extra group. Option C is wrong because it adds the factors. Option D is wrong because it leaves out one group. Question 14. Convert the mixed number 7 and 4/5 into an improper fraction. Option A, 7/9. Option B, 39/5. Option C, 11/5. Option D, 31/5. The correct answer is option. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. 7 times 5 plus 4 equals 39. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it places the whole number over a changed denominator. Option C is wrong because it adds the whole number to the numerator without multiplying by the denominator. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the numerator even though the mixed number is positive. Question 15. A calculator shows 5% sales tax on $20. What total should be paid? Option A, $15. Option B, $25. Option C, $1. Option D, $21. The correct answer is option. Find the tax as 5% of $20 and add it to the original price, giving $21. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it subtracts the tax rate as dollars. Option B is wrong because it adds the tax rate as a dollar amount. Option C is wrong because it shows only the tax, not the full total. Question 16. Simplify the ratio 14:56 so it is ready for a get answer choice. Option A, 4:1. Option B, 1:4. Option C, 14:56. Option D, 28:70. The correct answer is option. Divide both parts by their greatest common factor, 14, to get 1:4. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it reverses the order of the comparison. Option C is wrong because it leaves the ratio unsimplified. Option D is wrong because it adds instead of dividing by a common factor. Question 17. A fair spinner has 5 equal sections. What is the chance of not landing on section 2? Option A, 4/5. Option B, 1/5. Option C, 5/4. Option D, 1. The correct answer is option. Only one section is excluded, so 4 of the 5 sections work, giving 4/5. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it gives the chance of landing on the target section. Option C is wrong because it reverses the numerator and denominator. Option D is wrong because it assumes the target section is impossible. Question 18. Identify the mode of 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 8. Option A, cannot be determined. Option B, 5.33. Option C, 6. Option D, 2. The correct answer is option. The mode is the value that appears most often. 6 appears 3 times. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option B is wrong because it finds the mean instead of the most frequent value. Option D is wrong because it appears only once and is not the most frequent value. Question 19. For y equals 2x plus minus 3, what is y when x equals 4? Option A, y equals 5. Option B, 11. Option C, 1. Option D, minus 1. The correct answer is option. Substitute x equals 4, y equals 2, 4, plus minus 3 equals 5. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the intercept instead of adding it. Option C is wrong because it ignores the coefficient of x. Option D is wrong because it substitutes 1 for x instead of the given value. Question 20. A right triangle has legs 6 and 8. What is the hypotenuse? Option A, 10. Option B, 2. Option C, 100. Option D, 14. The correct answer is option. Use A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals C superscript 2, 36 plus 64 equals 100, so C equals 10. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it subtracts the legs. Option C is wrong because it stops before taking the square root. Option D is wrong because it adds the legs instead of using the Pythagorean theorem. Question 21. A table lists sales as Monday 30, Tuesday 15, and Wednesday 10. What is the 3-day total? Option A, 55. Option B, 18.33. Option C, 45. Option D, 30. The correct answer is option. Add all 3 listed values. 30 plus 15 plus 10 equals 55. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it finds the average rather than the total. Option C is wrong because it leaves out Wednesday. Option D is wrong because it selects only the largest day. Question 22. A student has $53 and buys 4 notebooks at $12 each. How much money is left? Option A, $41. Option B, $5. Option C, $101. Option D, $48. The correct answer is option. First find the cost. 4 times $12 equals $48, then subtract from $53 to get $5. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because it subtracts only 1 notebook. Option C is wrong because it adds spending to the budget. Option D is wrong because it gives the amount spent, not the amount left. Question 23. Convert 8 pounds to ounces? Option A, 24 ounces. Option B, 96 ounces. Option C, 128 ounces. Option D is 0.50 ounces. The correct answer is option. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound, so 8 times 16 equals 128 ounces. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it adds 16 instead of multiplying. Option B is wrong because it uses 12 as the conversion factor. Option D is wrong because it divides by 16. Question 24. Round 4.121 to 1 decimal place? Option A, 4.1. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 4.2. Option D, 4.121. The correct answer is option. Look at the digit immediately after the requested place and round to 4.1. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option C is wrong because it always rounds up instead of using the rounding rule. Option D is wrong because it leaves the number at 3 decimal places. Question 25. Reflect the point 0, minus 2 across the x-axis. Option A, 0, minus 2. Option B, cannot be determined. Option C, 0, 2. Option D, minus 2, 0. The correct answer is option. A reflection across the x-axis keeps x the same and changes the sign of y. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it reflects across the y-axis. Option B is wrong because it adds an unsupported assumption not given in the question. Option D is wrong because it swaps coordinates instead of changing the y sign.